Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Zendesk INC. Now Zendesk, after a move of 67% on the downside, looks like probably healthy because a short covering has already started. So let's now analyze the chart of Zendesk INC, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here is the big question, and to answer that we have couple of levels to look at. Primarily these are going to be your two important support level on the downside. So you have 55.2 and you have $50 as your next two important support level on the downside. So please do not go below these two specific levels, right? So this is the first thing you need to understand. Now what lies ahead is the question. Now to answer that, there are a couple of ways. Now if I try my way, the way I look at this particular trend, or the way I look at the trend, is something like this. Now if I draw a line like this, you can simply see that from 2016 till 2022 the stock has been trading above this line, and this line was your support line, which you may also call as your previous trend line, for the simple reason that the stock has been trading at or above this line for the last couple of years before the breakdown happens, right? Here we are, before the breakdown happens. So this was your previous trend line above which the stock has been trading. Now because the breakdown has happened and right now the stock is trying to make a rebound, so it's very important for the stock to surpass this range, which is in between 103 and 114, for the simple reason only if the stock moves above this line you will see your old range gets activated. What was your old range? I have already talked about the downside, and this was your upside, right? This was the upper end of the range. So what do we have here is something like this. Now the stock must now surpass above 103 and 114, or above these two lines like that, so that your old range gets activated. Until and unless that happens, we have a resistance in between this zone. So this line, your previous support line, will now work as a resistance for us. So you better remember that once things had started 103 and 114, this range is going to be your immediate target as well as your big resistance, and only if it moves higher we will open up for a big range, and that big range will push the stock in between 265 and 338. And at the same time understand that $50 is going to be your resistance, beg your pardon, it will be your support as well as your stop loss on the downside. So please do not go below $50. This is very important to understand. Okay, if things happens above $50 then it is fine, but do not go below $50. And as I told you, things have started, but this range is going to be your immediate resistance, and only if it moves above that you can have your respite, some respite as far as the trend is concerned, and from where the stock will start moving higher. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.